Hi, I'm Howard Wolf. I'm the principal of HW3 Group, a claims management and restoration consulting company. Do primarily expert witness work for policyholders as well as some insurers, and spend most of my time helping restoration vendors with protocols, anything from training to helping them get paid. Been in the industry for 42 years now and have been affiliated on and off with ASCR and later RIA, and that entire time affiliated with the IICRC, and seeing the relationship between RIA and its members and the closeness and the tightness of that bond. The RIA has, over the past several years, kind of endeared me again to the organization. I'm finding that more and more vendors that I'm selecting when I'm working for policyholders are RIA members. More and more vendors that I work with, not just from a training standpoint, but from a professional development standpoint and consulting, are RIA members. And so I've been getting more and more involved with RIA, as well as maintaining my position within the IICRC and understanding that synergy that has happened between the RIA and the IICRC over the last several years is something that is phenomenal for the industry and is really going to go a long way. So I want to continue to immerse myself within the RIA structure and within the organization, so I can continue to help develop that bond and help promote what's best for the industry and the best practices of the industry.